I'm going to get some pepper in this little bowl here. Put some salt in there. And a little bit of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon or so. Just mix this up. Next, I'm going to take like a half a cup of store-bought barbecue sauce, and we're going to fix it up to where it's better, in my opinion. Just like you would buy spaghetti sauce, and fix it up. So it's about a half cup of barbecue sauce and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Any vinegar will work, even just white vinegar. And a tablespoon of Worcester sauce or Lee and Perrins. A little dash of liquid smoke. A little dash of bourbon. If you don't have the bourbon or the liquid smoke, that's okay, but the vinegar is pretty important, and so is the Lee and Perrins. And I like, as I get older, a thinner barbecue sauce instead of such a thick one. So I'm going to mix this up. And once it's mixed up, I'm going to save a little bit of it on the side. Well, I forgot 2 teaspoons of brown sugar in there too. Mix that in. This is like the 3rd paper towel I've used. I'm trying to get the chicken all dried off. And this is a small chicken. It's 3.5 pounds. They're hard to find anymore. Every chicken, like the regular grocery store where I go to, is like large, and they're $1.89 a pound, so they're like $10 for a chicken. And this one is 5 something. And I bought it at Target. And all their chickens are the same size, 3.5 pounds. So I'm going to just salt and pepper it with the salt and pepper in this dedicated bowl. A little bit of garlic in there. Just salt and pepper this chicken very well. Get some inside of her too, just like that. I'm going to let her rest here while I go light my grill and heat it up. So it's going to sit here for like 30 minutes. Here I have my chicken, and I have my beer can, and I'm going to put that part up on top. And I've done this before with Coca-Cola, a Coke can, which you can do, but I like the beer a lot better. Okay, now I'm going to turn the grill down to low. Had it heating up on high. I'm going to let this go for a little while. It's been 1 hour. I'm going to brush some sauce on here. Get it real good. Do it very well. Smelling very nice. Just want to glaze it very well. We're going to let it go 15 more minutes. Here it is after 15 minutes. Looks good, doesn't it? And that beer can was half full. Still a lot of beer in there. I'm going to take it off the grill. And let it rest for about 10 minutes. The chicken has rested for 10 minutes. My favorite part is the leg and thigh. I'm going to get in there and cut at it. Put that on my plate over where you can't see. I just want to show you the breast too. I've made this many times, and this stuff is fantastic. And I like small chickens like this because they cook so much easier. You don't have to worry about them getting done and everything as much. So here's my plate of food. And just have some rice and with it. I'll try a taste. That's good and easy. And thanks so much for watching.